We're up in the Adirondacks here taking a 2-night overnight, and it's been quite a bit of a trek already because on the car ride up here there were numerous road closings because tons of blown down trees and power lines and telephone poles. So it seemed like they got a really crazy storm. And when we pulled up, that's 13th Lake behind us, and when we pulled up to the parking lot, there's a ton of police activity here because some guy walked into the woods before the storm and he is now missing. So hopefully everything turns out well there. That's the beginning of the trip. All right, keep pushing on. Look at this. You're going blue, big boy. Our pond, Joe, set up your tent. Okay. We're here. I'm ready to take this pack off and I'm ready to set up camp, but I'm not there yet. Find a better spot. Checking out the first spot of our lake, 60-minute lake. I'm gonna call this 60-minute lake. Here's a camp spot here. Doesn't look great. Well, unless it goes this way. Not good. There's a spot there. Want to check that spot out? There's the lean-to to our lake, our pond, 60-minute pond, I'm going to call it. Joe, from here on out, it's 60-minute pond. Easier to say. We got a shovel to bury you, broom, tarp if you need it, dry paper if we need it, and a path down to the pond. Nice. Is there a privy back there? There is a privy. Wow. And there it is. 60-minute pond. Oh, I just walked right into the water. Awesome. You can see us recording right there now on this one. You can see it. The front. Kind of pretty. The water is cold. How cold is it? Enjoyable. Yes. Very enjoyable. Windy. It looks cool. Very windy right now. That's how you go backwards? That makes sense. I gotta blow up my raft. All right, this is what we're getting at. This is where we're at. That's my tent. Be chilling there. There's Joe's tent, his setup. Come down this way, we got a bag of water that's filled, and this is where we're heading out fishing. Well, we got our fire pit here. Sweet spot. Got some fishing rods there. We'll do some cooking and chilling out here. And this is where our access to the pond is. And Joe is out there. Joe is out in the pond. There he is. He's out there.